Most learners think, let me know, is just for asking questions. But here's the truth. This three-word phrase can actually change how people perceive you in business, in friendships, even with strangers. And the best part, it takes just 2 seconds to say, hey everyone, welcome to Speak Like a Native. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Let's get into it.
Leo, before we start, I want you to think about this. Imagine you're at work and you need a colleague to send you a report. How would you ask them?
I'd probably say, send me the report when you're done.
Okay, and how does that feel? Does it sound polite to you?
I think it sounds okay. It's direct, it's clear. It's work, right?
Right, and that's exactly what most learners think. But here's what I want to show you today. If you replace send me with let me know when you've sent it, or even better, let me know when you're done, suddenly you sound much warmer, less like a command, more like a collaboration.
Wait, really? But the meaning is the same, isn't it?
The meaning is the same, yes, but the feeling is completely different. Let me explain. Let me know is what we call an invitation. You're not demanding information, you're inviting the other person to share it when they're ready. And that small shift from demand to invitation changes everything.
Oh, I see. So it's like, instead of saying tell me your decision, I say let me know your decision.
Exactly. And that's the core of today's episode. We're going to explore the phrase let me know, its multiple meanings, its collocations, and the common mistakes learners make. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to use it naturally in at least 5 different situations.
5 situations? That sounds like a lot for just 3 words.
You'd be surprised. Let me know is incredibly versatile. Let's start with the most basic use, making a request.
Okay, so if I want to ask someone their opinion, I can say, let me know what you think.
Perfect. That's request number 1. Now, what about when you want someone to tell you when something is ready?
Let me know when it's ready.
Beautiful. That's request number 2. Now, follow up. After you've asked someone something and you haven't heard back, what do you say?
Let me know if you have any questions.
That's actually a different use. That's an offer. But for follow-up, you can say, just let me know when you have an update, or let me know how it goes.
Let me know how it goes. I like that. It sounds supportive.
It does, right? Because you're not pressuring them. You're saying, I'm here, I'm interested, but I'm not rushing you. And that's the magic of this phrase. Now, let me tell you about a common mistake that learners from many different backgrounds make.
Oh, I'm ready. Hit me.
Many learners, especially Spanish speakers and Arabic speakers, tend to use tell me directly in situations where let me know would be much more natural. For example, a Spanish speaker might say, tell me when you arrive, because in Spanish, dime $1, $1 is perfectly natural. But in English, tell me when you arrive sounds like a command. It's as if you're giving an order.
So what should they say instead?
Let me know when you arrive. It's the same information, but it sounds like you care about the person, not just the information.
Oh, that makes so much sense. And what about Chinese speakers? Do they make the same mistake?
Often, yes. Chinese learners sometimes say, send me the information directly. They translate bazilial fagewol, which is pretty direct. In English, that can sound a bit abrupt. So instead say, let me know when you've sent it, or just let me know the details when you have them.
I see. So the key is, don't translate directly from your native language. Think about the culture. English speakers prefer invitations over commands.
That's a great way to put it, Leo. Invitations over commands. Write that down, everyone.
I'm writing it down right now.
Now let's move to another common scenario, making an offer. Imagine you're a customer service agent, or you're helping a colleague. You want to offer assistance. What do you say?
If you need anything, let me know.
Perfect. That's probably the most common offer in English. If you need anything, let me know. Or, if you have any questions, let me know. It's warm, it's professional, and it leaves the door open.
I use that one a lot, but I never thought about why it works.
It works because it puts the control in the other person's hands. You're not saying I'll help you now. You're saying I'm available when you're ready. And that makes people feel respected.
Okay, I'm starting to see a pattern here. Let me know is all about respect.
Exactly. And here's another use that surprises most people. You can use let me know to agree to something.
Wait, what? How do you agree with let me know?
Imagine a friend says, "Hey, I'll text you the details about the party." You can respond with, "Sure, let me know." That means, "Yes, I agree. Please do that. I'm waiting for your message."
Oh, so it's like saying, okay, sounds good.
Exactly. A simple let me know can replace, "Okay, sure, I'm waiting for your information." It's efficient and friendly.
That's brilliant. So now I have request, follow up, offer, and agreement. That's 4 uses. What's the 5th?
The fifth use is for ending a conversation. When you're wrapping up a call or a meeting, you can say, "Well, let me know if anything comes up," or "Let me know how it goes." It's a natural way to signal that the conversation is ending, but you're still open.
Oh, I love that. It's like a gentle goodbye.
Exactly. It's not abrupt, it's not cold. It's like saying, "I'm here for you. Talk to you later."
Now I want to go back to something you said earlier about tell me sounding rude. Can you give me a real example?
Sure. Imagine you're at a job interview. The interviewer says, "We'll let you know by Friday." That's natural. But if they said, "We'll tell you by Friday," that sounds a bit cold, almost like they're doing you a favor by informing you.
Right. So let me know sounds more like a promise. Tell me sounds more like a duty.
That's exactly it. And now, let's try something. I'm going to give you a situation, and you tell me which phrase sounds more natural.
Okay, I'm ready.
Scenario: you're at a coffee shop. You want to order. The barista says, "I'll bring it to your table." How do you respond?
Okay. Let me know when it's ready.
Perfect. That's exactly right. You're not saying, "Come, tell me when it's ready." That sounds demanding. You're saying, "Let me know when it's ready," which sounds like a cooperative arrangement.
I get it. So the barista feels like we're working together, not like they're serving a boss.
Exactly. And that's the cultural insight I want you to take away. In English speaking cultures, especially American culture, we value collaboration over hierarchy in many situations. Using let me know signals that you see the other person as a partner, not a subordinate.
That's a big difference. In my culture, it's common to be more direct, but I can see how this would make things smoother in English.
Absolutely. And the best part? Once you start using let me know naturally, you'll notice people respond more warmly to you. They'll be more willing to help because you've invited them, not commanded them.
Hey Maya, I want to try something. Can I play the role of a learner who makes the mistake and you correct me?
Love it. Go ahead.
Okay, so in a meeting, I say, tell me your opinion on this.
Okay, that's not terrible. But to make it more natural and polite, say, "Let me know what you think."
Okay, another one. At the end of an email, I write, send me your feedback.
Change to "Let me know your thoughts" or "Let me know if you have any feedback."
One more. My friend says, I'm going to the store. I say, tell me what time you'll be back.
Ah, that one is interesting. A more natural way would be "Let me know when you're heading back," or even just "Let me know when you're on your way."
Okay, I'm starting to feel the rhythm now. Let me know is just softer, warmer.
It is, and here's a pro tip. You can also add "just" before it to make it even more casual and friendly. "Just let me know when you're ready," or "Just let me know if you need anything."
Oh, just let me know? That sounds really natural.
It does. It's like saying "no pressure whenever you're ready." And that combination, "just" plus "let me know," is extremely common in spoken English.
Okay, I'm gonna start using that today. Just let me know. I love it.
Before we get to the practice round, I want to address another mistake I hear from learners, especially from French and Italian speakers.
What's that?
Sometimes they use "tell me" in situations where English speakers would use "let me know" for politeness, but they also add "please," thinking that makes it polite. For example, "Please tell me your decision." In some cultures, "please" makes anything polite, but in English, "tell me" with "please" still sounds like a command. It sounds like you're saying, "I've asked you nicely, now obey."
Oh, that's a subtle but important difference.
Exactly. So instead, skip "tell me" altogether and say, "Let me know your decision." Even without "please," it sounds more polite than "please tell me."
Wow, I never would have thought of that. So the structure matters more than the politeness word.
Exactly. The structure is the politeness. Now, let's do a practice round. I'm going to give you 5 situations. You respond with a let me know phrase.
Okay, I'm ready.
Situation 1, you're buying something online and you want the seller to update you on shipping.
Let me know when it ships.
Perfect. 2, you're at a restaurant and you want the waiter to tell you when your food is ready.
Let me know when my order is ready.
Great. 3, you're planning a meeting and you want people to tell you their availability.
Let me know what times work for you.
Excellent. 4, a colleague is working on a project and you want to offer help.
If you need any help, let me know.
Beautiful. 5, you're ending a phone call with a friend.
Let me know if anything comes up.
Perfect. Or let me know how it goes. Both work.
I did it. 5 for 5.
You did. And now you have 5 natural, real-life uses of let me know that you can start using today.
I'm going to practice this everywhere. Coffee shops, emails, meetings, even with my family.
And I want to challenge our listeners too. This week, try to replace every tell me and send me with let me know. Just for 1 week. See how people respond. I bet you'll notice a difference.
I'm going to do it. And Maya, I think I finally understand why this phrase is so important. It's not just about the words, it's about the attitude behind them.
That's the deepest insight of this entire episode, Leo. Let me know is more than a phrase. It's a mindset. It says, I respect your time. I respect your autonomy. I'm here when you're ready.
Wow. It's almost like a philosophy of communication.
It really is. And that's why we call today's episode the phrase that opens doors. Because when you use it, people open up. They respond. They want to help you.
Today's rule, never tell me when you can let me know.
That's the takeaway. Write it down, put it on your wall, use it in your next message.
Thank you, Maya. As always, this was eye-opening.
Thank you, Leo, and thank you to everyone listening. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Speak Like a Native. We release new episodes every day. Each one helps you sound more natural, more confident, and less like a textbook.
And if you want to practice, drop a sentence in the comments using let me know. Maya reads them and gives feedback.
I do. See you in the next episode. Until then, let me know how your practice goes.
Love it. Bye, everyone.